Conservative and liberal U.S. Supreme Court justices signaled skepticism on Wednesday toward President Donald Trump's bid to fire Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook. The central bank's independence is at stake in the case. U.S. Solicitor General D. John Sauer spoke for Trump's administration during about 2 hours of arguments. He urged the court to allow Trump to dismiss Cook for citing 2 different properties as a principal residence on her mortgage application. A lower court judge has barred her removal while her legal challenge continues.
Such behavior impugns Cook's conduct, fitness, ability, or competence to serve as a governor of the Federal Reserve. The American people should not have their interest rates determined by someone who was, at best, grossly negligent in obtaining favorable interest rates for herself.
Sauer said Cook engaged in deceit. Conservative Chief Justice John Roberts asked him to explain whether his argument that Cook should be immediately removed applies if what occurred was something less severe.
You began by talking about deceit. Is what you said after that apply in the case of an inadvertent mistake contradicted by other documents in the record?
It's quite a big mistake, so to speak, in a key financial representation made in the context of interest rates.
Well, I mean, I suppose we can debate that.
Trump's move against Cook is seen as the most consequential challenge to the Fed's independence since it was formed in 1913. Until now, no president has sought to oust a Fed official. The law establishing the Fed requires governors to be removed by a president only for cause, though the law does not define that term nor establish procedures for removal. Conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh expressed doubts about the real-world effects of the administration's arguments.
Your position that there's no judicial review, no process required, no remedy available, very low bar for cause that the president alone determines, I mean, that would weaken, if not shatter, the independence of the Federal Reserve that we just discussed.
Cook has called the allegations against her a pretext to fire her over monetary policy differences, as Trump heaps pressure on the central bank to cut interest rates and lashes out at Fed Chair Jerome Powell for not doing so more quickly. A Supreme Court ruling is expected by the end of June.